With over 7 million magazines printed, 160 issues, and 14 years of creating quality journalism, Health Journal is primed to significantly grow our online market share. Health Journal was established in 2005 as an independent regional healthcare magazine. Our mission is to provide well-researched information about health topics and resources. We aim to empower our readers to achieve optimum physical and emotional well-being. Health media is a potent niche to occupy. 35% of healthcare consumers research their conditions online. Google processes over 175 million health-related searches every day. We intend to convert many of these search queries into Health Journal traffic. We're healthcare marketing specialists. Communications, strategy, content creation, film production, art direction, and photography. We provide a trusted platform for the healthcare industry to promote their services. There are more than 6,400 hospitals in the United States. There are a lot of opportunities, and this market is growing rapidly. According to JAMA, spending on medical marketing has more than doubled since 1997, and healthcare companies will spend $1 billion online within the next 5 years. The global wellness economy is worth $4.2 trillion. For the last 14 years, the Health Journal has specialized in serving the healthcare industry with superb medical marketing, and we are uniquely positioned to expand rapidly into the international digital media marketplace.